So here's the cause of the exhaust leak. The right side catalyst has rusted out between the two catalytic converter beds. The bolts on the heads of the bolts on the Y pipe are basically non-existent. Now to fix this, it's also leaking here at this joint. It's likely going to need a crossover assembly or the two catalysts. You got to drop the transmission mount here because the exhaust won't come out of there. And of course, it's been repaired here at one time, so might be able to save this pipe. But there's some other issues on this truck. It's not here for safety, but it has some rust on the bottom of the cab that would need to be addressed. Rust holes in the rocker panels. Considering the age, it's amazing it's gotten this far. And there's probably other things. I see the park brake cable's all sloppy here. Front brakes are all rusty. Well, we'll just let them know.